What's up guys, Shane Starnes here with DroidForums.net. Today I'm going to show you guys AOKP for the Droid 4. Now this is the Jelly Bean version, so we'll go to Settings and About Phone. You guys can already see how incredibly fast it's running. That's because of Project Butter. And let's see here. We are running 4.1.1, and this is the JB Alpha Build JRO3L. This is the milestone 1 or build 1 of AOKP, and it has been ported over. It's been ported over by the developer known as Zach. And you see it comes with Launcher and Nova Launcher. One thing I just wanted to show you real quick is just how fast it is. I mean, it's incredibly fast. Now, this is an alpha build, so there are just a few things that are not working properly. Bluetooth works, Wi-Fi works, data works, calls work, text messaging works. Everything that you need to make this a daily driver is functioning, except for the camera. So the camera is not working. Google Now is working. So if we go to the lock screen, Google Now is working. It opened it up. We had to unlock to get it there. So that is Google Now, and it's working just fine. It comes with a few other apps. The Bluetooth SCO app, the FM transmitter, and the FM radio app, and as well as the Nova Launcher like we had talked about earlier. And it comes with Super User pre-installed, Wi-Fi tether pre-installed. If you go into settings, you have all your ROM control and theme settings, so we'll go to themes. And you can download any theme that is compatible with AOKP or CM10, and it will work on this ROM. All you have to do is click apply. And then if we go to ROM control, you guys will see all of the settings. Most importantly is performance, where you can actually overclock to 1.2 gigahertz, which is pretty cool. Pretty awesome, makes for a super fast phone. You also have governors there that you can choose as well. We'll go back into ROM control and you see all the settings here. We have lock screen settings where you can actually choose all kinds of things for your lock screen. We've got power menu where you can choose the toggles, navigation bar. So if you want to actually enable this, you can. I choose not to have it enabled simply because the Droid 4 has the capacitive buttons. So for me, that gets in the way, so I don't even use that. But you can go in there and change that if you want. Battery settings are here. You can actually change to a battery bar, or you can go with the battery icon of your choice. I like the text only. You can see the battery text there. Clock, you can actually, I'm pretty sure you can make this a center clock like that. Change the color for those as well. And then here's your toggles where you can actually set your toggles. Let's see, toggle order, you can change the order of your toggles. You just grab and change the order there. Toggle style, you can go icon only or text only. And you can also choose a different layout like that. You can change the color, and you can enable the toggles that you like. It does come with LTE, it does come with tether, and torch. So now I've added all of those toggles. It also comes with a swagger toggle. So if you guys are wondering, the pink hat, whenever you go here, the pink hat is your swagger toggle. It does nothing. Just there for giggles. And then you have LED settings, so you can change your LED notification light. There's sound settings and weather settings there as well. So there's tons of customization in this ROM. More than enough to keep you busy for hours on end. The most important thing here is that this ROM flies. It is Jelly Bean. You do have the awesomeness of Project Butter and Google Now. Plus you have all new wallpapers and just a really great ROM. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and reboot into recovery and install this ROM. So we'll power off. So what you'll need here is you'll need to be running on the ice cream sandwich leak. I'm running on .217, and then you're also going to need to be rooted, and you'll need to be running SafeStrap 2.11. If you don't know how to be rooted on the ICS leak or how to get to the ICS leak, check the channel. We already have covered how to get there, and we've also covered the SafeStrap. So you'll want to turn the phone on and hit the menu button whenever the SafeStrap menu pops up. Okay, so if you've never run SafeStrap, you're going to want to make sure that you do back up your stock ROM before you do anything else in SafeStrap. That way you're ensured that you're able to get back to SafeStrap. Now, one thing I didn't mention about this ROM is it is a Kexec ROM, which means that you can do full customization. You can do your governors, you can do your overclocking, anything that you want. You can run custom kernels or whatever via Kexec. So shout out to dHacker and Hashcode who got those working on the Droid 4. So what you want to do here is, like I said, you want to back up and restore first. Then you'll go to Safe Boot menu and you'll select that. Let me get in so you guys can see a little better here. Okay, and what you'll want to do is toggle Safe System. I've already done that. You can see where mine says enabled. Yours will not say enabled at first. You'll need to toggle the Safe System. Then you can, then you'll be enabled and you can go back. Then you'll want to wipe data factory reset once you're in the Safe System. So you go down to yes. You'll select that. I'm going to go back. Then you go to wipe cache. Select yes. I'm going to go back. Then you go to advanced. And wipe Dalvik. You'll select that. And then you go to yes and go back. Now you'll want to go to the link in the description, download the ROM and also the G apps. And you'll go back. Then you go to install zip from SD card. Choose it from SD card. It'll be on your internal SD card if you download it directly to your phone. And it will be in the download folder. So you're looking for this 3BSZ0U10UL. That big long file name, that's what it is. I don't know why it is named that, but that is exactly what it is. So you'll scroll down to that, select that. You'll go to yes install. I'm going to go back. Then you go to choose it from SD card, internal SD card. You're going to be looking for the JB, not GB, that would be gingerbread. The JB, Jelly Bean, Google Apps. You'll select that and select yes to install. I'm going to go back and I'll go back again and reboot. Now, when you reboot the first time, well, anytime you reboot this, it's going to seem like it's stuck in a boot loop. That's because of the Kexec process. It has to go through the boot process. I think it's 3 times before it finally does boot up the phone. It's just doing its thing, so don't be worried. You'll click the search button to get through that SafeStrap menu. And I'll see that's what I'm talking about. So it's going to start up, and then it's going to shut down, start up, shut down, and then it'll finally boot. So don't freak out if it does that. There it goes again, turn it on, turn it off. And it's just circumventing the bootloader right now. And now we're finally booting. So there is the boot animation, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more coverage on the Droid 4 and other Android devices. Be sure to click the thumbs up button. It really helps us out a ton. Also, check out the forums. That's where you'll find me. We got all kind of Droid 4 stuff. Check out the homepage where we got tons of news and things of this nature. But anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.